Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix no more rooms in Hell to game controllers is not working on your PC. Guys, first solution is simply open up the stream, click on the game which is no more room in Hell to game, click on the gear icon, go to game properties. Now click on the controllers, now just select here the disable stream input. Once you select it, now launch the game, see problem is fixed or not. If this does not work, then you can select the enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then see problem is fixed or not. Still not work, then you can select the disable Steam input. Now just close it. Now the solution is check connection. Make sure your controller is securely connected for wired controllers. Ensure the USB is properly plugged in for wireless controllers. Ensure they are charged and paired correctly with your PC. Still not working, then you can update drivers. So simply go to the Windows search and just type here the device manager and it will appear on the top. So open it. Now here look for the human interface devices. Open it, you will see your universal serial bus controller. So just look for the universal serial bus controller in the human interface devices. If you don't find here, just scroll down and you will see the universal serial bus controllers. So just expand it, you will see all the drivers installed. So just update all of these drivers. So make a right click on the update, click on the search and just update it. Now you'll see the many drivers under the universal city bus driver. Just update all of these. So once you update all of these drivers you are seeing, so simply restart your PC, then launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then manufacturer software. Use the manufacturer software for specific controllers. Xbox, use the Xbox accessories app to update and configure settings. For the PlayStation, consider using DS for Windows for DualShock 4 controllers. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the third solution is configure controller setting. If you are using Steam, go to the setting, go to the controller, general controller setting and enable the necessary configuration. This is essential for proper recognition of the controllers. Then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, use big picture mode. Launching Steam in big picture mode can help configure your controller setting and resolve recognition issues more effectively. Then check problem is fixed or not. Now, the fifth solution is check for conflicting software. Ensure that no other software like third-party Gamepad emulator DS4 is conflicting with your controller. Temporarily disable or uninstall this program to test. Now, the sixth solution is change USB port. Something simply switching USB ports can resolve connection issues. Try connecting your controller to different port, especially if using a hub. Now, try all of the solution and see which fixes your problem. And if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.